In this video, I will show you how the Cash App Green Card works with a full explanation and tutorial, so you know exactly what it is, how it works, and what benefits you get. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. When you open Cash App, the Green Card is directly connected to your Cash App balance. Any money you receive on Cash App can be spent instantly using the Green Card. You can use it to pay in stores, shop online, or withdraw cash from an ATM, and you can see your card details and controls right from the home screen inside the app. The Green Card itself is free, but Cash App also offers something called Green Status. This is a rewards level that appears under your balance. When you tap on it, Cash App shows what you need to do to unlock or keep that status. In most cases, this means either receiving qualifying paychecks through Cash App or spending a certain amount using your Cash App Green Card. Once you have Green Status, that's where the extra benefits come in. You get access to special card offers, also known as boosts. These give you discounts at specific stores when you pay with your Green Card. The offers change regularly, and you just need to select one before you make a purchase for it to apply automatically. Another major feature tied to how the Cash App Green Card works is savings. When you have Green Status, Cash App offers a higher savings interest rate. This means any money you move into your Cash App savings can earn more over time compared to a standard balance, making it easier to manage both spending and saving in one place. You may also get benefits like fee-free withdrawals at in-network ATMs, overdraft coverage in certain situations, free paper money deposits at supported locations, and priority customer support. If features like Cash App Borrow are available to you, Green Status can also help increase your borrowing limits. Everything related to the Green Card is managed directly inside the Cash App. You can lock or unlock the card instantly, report it lost, order a replacement, and track every transaction in real time. There's no separate bank or dashboard to deal with, which keeps everything simple for everyday use. Overall, the Cash App Green Card works as a debit card linked to your Cash App balance, with added perks if you qualify for Green Status. It's designed for people who use Cash App regularly and want extra benefits without switching banks. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, AirWallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed AirWallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.